I'm hungry, make man's a double-decker. Two personas, putting in a double effort. Ratting clean, super mean in the bubble Lexer. And when I'm with that white chick, I double stretch her. G'd up.
What it do, gangers? It's your boy in black, here with my bro. Before this video gets started, we're gonna have a moment of silence for Mr. Floyd. We send condolences to his family.
Hey, Sterling. Sterling.
Alright, before I say anything else, I want to say I'm sorry for everything that's going on in America, because this shit's sad. At a young age, I witnessed police brutality firsthand. Very young age. So young, I'm probably traumatized. My Uncle Kiki was beaten to pretty much a pulp for playing his music, his boombox loud. This is 1989. Played his boombox loud in Giant Eagle. So the police beat my uncle's ass in Giant Eagle. It would make it so bad, the officer was black. My uncle was cuffed to the bed. Police brutality. I was born in 84. That shit happened in 89. I'm 35. 30 years later, every day almost you can pretty much rely on something being in the news of this nature. If I didn't have kids, I'd probably be in a different mind state. I'm angry, I'm fucked up, I'm pissed. I'm tired of saying this. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? I can only continue to do what I'm doing about it, and that's to raise my son different. That's to raise my son to be less opportunity to be in those situations, is what I want to say. I can only try one by one. I got 2 sons. I got to make sure they have a father. So would I like to go out, blow some shit up, light some shit on fire? Yes, but I can't. So I grind still. The grind's going to never stop until my heart stops. Sorry. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy in black, and I'm back. Thanks for coming through, watching DIY Dreaming. Today, we're working on a Buick Lucerne. This one's an 06, but if you got a Buick Lucerne 06 to 2012 or whatnot, this may apply to you. 3.9 is similar to the 3.8. Today, what we're doing is an alternator. This is what you will need for an alternator. A breaker bar. Deep well 15, a shallow 15, a 10, gotta get these bolts out. Your tensioner pulley is right here. That's a 15. This is gonna be a 15. That's a 15. This is a 15. This back here is a 10. This is a 10. So you want to get your tensioner pulley, get a 15, get your breaker bar, release the tension, remove the belt. You do need to put more tension on this to get this bolt all the way out. So once you get this bolt all the way out, you can release the tension, get that bolt out, get this bolt out, get this bolt out. Your alternator will come out. Unplug it. Sometimes these plugs are stupid. I don't like to break shit, so I just take my time. I think this one's a lift up, so I'm gonna go get a flathead screwdriver, take my time with it. But in a sense, this is what it's gonna take. We'll jump back with you when it's done.
I throw these in there.
What?
Like on some quiet, maybe some music in the background. cut, come back in. I know you did it. Probably did it. You probably didn't did it on your last Buick and this one.
Just the last one.
Just the last one. That's where you did everything. Alternator. Ow.
All right, I need to correct myself with y'all. Took out a wrong bolt. No big deal though, but yeah. Just want to be real.
He pulled out the mellow yellow for y'all. Y'all don't even know that.
Shit, came off. It came off, Joan. All right, so we got the alternator on. Everything's pretty much buttoned back up. Charging the battery up right now. Yeah, so your boy's the one shop stop. We building. We're gonna stay mobile for a while. Then we're gonna go to a location as soon as we get a little bit bigger. Brandon's gonna start making more appearances. That's a big fact, man. We're just gonna keep on pushing.